What are you doing, Isla? Are you helping Mommy clean? You are doing a fantastic job, you know that? You ready to come have dinner now? Thank you very much for vacuuming, honey. That was sweet.
Wiggly, wiggly. Alright, wait, we gotta wash your hands before dinner. You're outside playing.
Say hi.